Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Crypto.com to your bank account in 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things crypto, making complex stuff simple and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First off, what's USDT? It's Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, which means it's less volatile than other cryptos like Bitcoin. Why transfer it to your bank? Maybe you want to cash out profits, pay bills, or just move funds for everyday use. In 2025, with evolving regulations, it's easier than ever, but always double-check for any updates in your region. Before we start, make sure you have a few things ready: a verified Crypto.com account, some USDT in your wallet, and your bank account linked or ready for fiat withdrawal. Oh, and remember, there might be fees involved, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app or head to their website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select USDT. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer to Fiat option. In 2025, Crypto.com has streamlined this. Tap on it, and you'll see choices for bank transfers. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert and transfer. The app will show you the equivalent in USD and any conversion fees. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Step 4. Choose your bank account from the linked options or add a new one if needed. You'll need to verify details like your bank's routing number. Step 5. Confirm the transaction with your two-factor authentication. This is crucial for security, never skip it. Once submitted, the transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on your bank and network congestion. In 2025, many regions have faster rails, so keep that in mind. A quick word of caution: crypto markets can be unpredictable, and transferring involves risks like fees or price slips. Always stay informed and consider using tools like Crypto.com's price alerts. There you have it. Simple steps to get your USDT into your bank account. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.